Okay, the wireframe layout here is really coming together nicely. We only have the footer left for the high resolution wireframe at least. And you know what? The footer is going to be crazy easy because it's practically finished. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see everything's displaying in line. Why is everything displaying in line? Any ideas? Any guesses? How come I don't have a vertical bulleted list like we saw earlier? Well, don't forget, if I flip back over to the external style sheet, we created a compound rule that said, hey, if you've got a list item and that list item appears inside a nav, then make sure that those elements display inline. So whether they're being contained inside a nav itself or inside a nav that's inside a footer, which is exactly what we have going on inside the HTML. If I scroll all the way down, remember we had copied and pasted the whole shebang into the footer area. Okay? So as I say, the footer is practically finished. The only issue that I have is I'm getting some extra white space down beneath the footer, and that's an easy fix to get rid of. I'm going to head back to the external style sheet here into the high resolution media query. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to type in footer. Let's do a compound rule here. I'm going to go footer nav. Okay. So if I have a navigation element inside a footer, all right. And again, think of that conditional formatting if you like. And all I'm going to do for this guy is I'm going to say, all right, margin hyphen bottom, full colon space, nothing, 0. Don't put any space beneath this guy. Save up your work, head back to your browser and refresh. And sure enough, that collapses down that extra additional white space beneath the footer. Okay? All right, there we go. There's our high resolution rough layout, wireframe layout complete. Now, we have to do the same for the medium resolution and also for the low resolution, but I think that's going to go pretty quick because we've set it up once here already. And then, of course, we can move on to actually getting some colors in here, some font formatting, and, of course, graphics as well.